Hello, friends, how are you? Uh, I'm reading The Hindu, and this news was published on November 2016. It is with caption India US Clean Energy Cooperation will go on, means will carry on. Very little will change. Coal is not coming back in the US regardless of what Republicans say. Regardless means without giving damn, बिना परवाह के what Republican says. Donald Trump, Republican is a party, or Donald Trump is from Republican Party, and Obama is from Democratic Party, and so is Hillary. So, and as we all know that Trump has defeated uh, Hillary, a Democratic party candidate. Well, so he's saying coal is not coming back in the U.S. regardless of what Republicans says Amos J. Hornstein, special envoy. Envoy means होता है आपका ambassador, Bureau of Energy Resource at the Department of State. The change in the United States administration will not have any impact asar on India-US cooperation in the field of renewable energy, a high-ranking official in the Obama administration has said. Amos J. Hornstein, a special envoy, Bureau of Energy Resources at the Department of State, said coal is being discarded by power manufacturer. Discarded means rejected. Not because of government regulations, but due to changes technology. Changes in technology. President-elect Donald Trump has promised to revive coal mining in the US. Revive means पुनर्जीवित करना. Okay. And leave the Paris Climate Agreement. Very little will change. Coal is not coming back in the US regardless of what Republicans say. Regardless, बिना परवाह किए. Mr. Hornstein said, coal will remain a major part of India's energy mix, which is true when Obama is president, which will be true when Donald Trump will be president. But it was not President Obama who set the target of 175 gigawatt of renewable energy for India. It was PM Modi. I do not see that changing, he said. People are not using coal not only because they are concerned about climate change, but also because of the same reason why they don't use VCRs any longer. Concern means chinta. He said, speaking at the launch of the Center for Strategic and International Studies led US India State and Urban Initiatives that aims at coordinating interaction between the two countries, there is a tremendous demand. Tremendous means ज़्यादा, बहुत ज़्यादा, very great in amount, but no natural way of accessing them because there is not one India. There are many state and other regional factors. Conversely means इसके विपरीत, there is not one US. There is such a diversity of experience of model. India-US relation will have to move beyond government to government. Beyond means से आगे ले जाना पड़ेगा. India-US relation are global, but it should also be local, said Nisha Biswal, Assistant Secretary, Secretary, South and Central Asian Affairs, who spoke at the event. Okay, friends. I hope you are liking my videos. So please like my videos and share it. And bye bye and take care.